So we pour this on there. You can see the skin starting to retract. You're gonna say you're cooking the salmon. Well, guess what? That's the point. We're gonna cook it, y'all. Just like this. Now, we're gonna pull the skin back. Like that. Water did most of the work. You just pull it. That. All the way off. There we go. Let's get this here too. It's hot, hot. We're gonna leave this on because we want it to stay just like that. We're gonna get that out the way. Now, we are gonna send this baby to the oven, but not yet. So first, what we're gonna do, flip it over like this. Drip that just a bit and like that. Go ahead and place it right here. And it lifts off easily. Guys, remember, we seasoned the water that we poured on here to remove the skin with some soy sauce to start off with a good flavor. And we continue with the flavors. We got bacon. You know that it goes very well with salmon. And if you don't know, well, now you know. Here we go. We're gonna go all the way around. And we just go in and out to fill this baby up. Go ahead and remove these. Got an extra glove, extra pair just underneath. Here we go. Cream cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all in there. There we go. Put that to the side. Got a little salt and pepper. A little more. Here's the dilly. Jalapenos. And we're gonna mix it up. Just like this, real quick. We're gonna put this in a piping bag. Beautiful. There we go. Nice and easy. Piping bag, here we come. And here we go. A little twist. We're gonna pipe it out like this. Here. Beautiful. We put that to the side. Quickly, with one move, we smooth it out. And we're gonna finish it off like this. Check it out. Just like that. Little salt, pepper, and we're off to the oven, y'all. This is gonna be so good. And here we go, guys. Give this about 20 little minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll be right back and ready to eat. And just like that, you have this beautiful dish. You can serve it with salad, serve it with rice. Great for a family gathering, guys. All you gotta do now is serve yourself a plate and enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a piece. It's nice and creamy right here. It is cooked to perfection. Get a little bit of this with the cream. Whew.